Tackle a variety of drilling, driving, and cutting applications with this Kobalt 6-tool cordless combo kit. The drill driver delivers 500 inch-pounds of torque, and its variable speeds increase your versatility. The variable speed reciprocating saw is perfect for making rough cuts in building materials, and its tool-free blade change saves time on the job. The impact driver's variable speeds, high IPM, and max torque give you the power to drive long screws with ease. The circular saw produces 5,400 RPM to powerfully cut through various materials, and its 0 to 50-degree bevel with stops lets you easily make angled cuts. An LED flashlight with pivoting head increases accuracy and safety when working in dimly lit spaces. Each tool features a brushless motor that's powered by a 24-volt max battery for extended runtime and powerful performance. And the power source with 2 USB ports lets you charge phones and laptops on the job. Plus, status displays on the battery and charger make it easy to monitor charge levels. Designed for durable, lasting use, this Kobalt cordless combo kit means business.